No, I haven't, been trying to hit one out. I mean, it's going to happen if you take a good swing, just like the other day, and other guys are trying to pass as well. But it's just one of those things where you're trying to work through the middle, and if you get a pitch to pull it, and you pull it. If you get something away, you shoot it the other way. And if it goes, it goes. It's just a weird game and how it works. It's just almost a confidence thing. If you see the same thing over and over, your first year, you're all new to it, and it's being older almost helps. It's one of those veteran things. Hitting is one thing, and fielding is another. You can't control anything at the plate when you're playing defense, and you can't control anything on defense when you're hitting. So it's one of those things where you try to do your best and not show emotion too much, either on defense or offense. Baseball is a really weird game. There's a lot of plays, especially considering every pitch is a new play, a new opportunity for something to happen. So if you're excited about a home run or just a single, an RBI, anything like that, it's hard to be playing defense and focused on that pitch at that time. So just do everything you can to stay focused on one thing. We have a very young team and a veteran team at the same time, which I think is a great mix. We don't really have an in-between, in my opinion. So to have leaders and guys that are willing to follow is so important. I would hope to win a regional and do one of those things I would love to do to get out of here before I leave here. As a team, I think it'll be one heck